This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening accounts. Google, com and navigating to security, then two-step verification. You pick a method, SMS or an authenticator app, and register your phone immediately. This ties a code generator to your account. Once done, tap to add a device, scan the QR code with Google Authenticator, or confirm your phone number for SMS. Make sure the device you use is unlocked and connected, because the registration step writes that credential to your account. You'll see a 6-digit time-based code in the Authenticator app or an SMS message. Enter it exactly in the sign-in field. Because codes expire, typically every 30 seconds, you must act quickly. If it times out, request a new one and try again. If the app-generated code fails, check your phone's clock is set to automatic time. Many authenticator mismatches are clock drift. Also, avoid copy-paste when possible. Manual entry prevents accidental whitespace or extra character. Once the code validates, finish by confirming any prompts and optionally mark the device as trusted to skip codes on that device. Immediately generate and store backup codes. Save copies offline and in a password manager so you can sign in if your phone is lost. If a code won't work, first sync your device clock to network time, then try a fresh code or a backup code. If problems persist, initiate Google account recovery. But syncing time resolves most authenticator issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.